Welcome to Pilates Instructor Academy Pilates Teacher Training courses. This is a preview to Mat 102, Intermediate and Advanced Pilates Mat.
Hello, my name is Amanda and I'll be your instructor. I've been a professional in the fitness industry for over 30 years and I've been teaching Pilates for over 18. I hold a master's degree in higher education curriculum development with an emphasis in exercise physiology. I've been a Pilates Method Alliance certified Pilates teacher since 2006. I've been training Pilates instructors for almost 2 decades, and I am a presenter at national fitness and Pilates conferences, including the Pilates Method Alliance annual meeting. I designed our courses to be high quality and affordable, safe, effective, and fun, but most of all, convenient. Online courses enable you to study on your own schedule, to set your own pace for learning.
The Intermediate and Advanced Pilates Mat course is designed to help students learn the intermediate and advanced Pilates exercises in depth. When combined with Mat 101, Fundamental and Beginning Pilates Mat, students will be prepared to teach Pilates mat classes to healthy adults of varying skill. This specific workshop covers the anatomy of the shoulder complex, the 4 inner working articulations or joints of the shoulder complex, the bones, and the muscles. Also, specific exercises for developing and improving proper shoulder biomechanics. Here's a sample.
The shoulder girdle and shoulder joint are collectively known as the shoulder complex due to 4 interworking articulations. It is the functional link between the upper limb and the trunk. It provides both mobility and stability for the arm, the humerus. And the entire range of motion for the shoulder is a function of dynamic cooperation of the 4 separate articulations, which we'll be going over in depth. The shoulder joint is known as the glenohumeral joint due to the 2 bones that articulate, the glenoid fossa and the humerus. The goal of the exercise is the promotion of healthy scapular biomechanics, and you could put an asterisk next to this one saying the 4-point kneeling position challenges a client's ability to stabilize their thoracic and lumbar spine. Here's a view from the top. Adduction, abduction.
This workshop also covers the intermediate and advanced Pilates mat exercises. Take a look.
A way that you can change this exercise, for some people it might be a modification, for some people you might be varying it, making it more difficult. Try taking your arms all the way overhead to the carpet or floor above you. But let's take a look at the exercise one more time. Legs come to tabletop. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale.
This course includes a manual in which you can take notes, quizzes and exams, and a continuing education credit certificate that you'll receive upon completion.
When combined with Mat 101, you'll receive the manual, practical assignments, quizzes, and exams to help with your learning process, online mat classes which you can use for observation or self-practice, a personalized mentor experience, CEC certificates for each course, and a final completion certificate when you've finished with all the requirements.
Please feel free to contact me for more information. Amanda Imes, there's 2 I's in Imes, at pilatesinstructoracademy.com, or you can reach me by phone 888-251-2080, or you can find me on our website, PilatesInstructorAcademy.com. I hope to hear from you soon.